Players and fans also need to trust Alonso. I don't think that sacking Alonso is the solution for our problem.
मैड्रिड में मेरे ख्याल से इतनी अनसर्टेनिटी बहुत टाइम के बाद दिख रही है मेरे को एज अ बार्सा फैन. सो द कोर थिंग, द विनिशियस प्रॉब्लम, द ज़ाबी अलोंसो प्रॉब्लम, व्हाट डू यू थिंक द 3 मेजर प्रॉब्लम्स यू गाइस आर फेसिंग एज अ टीम? क्या 3 है आपके हिसाब से?
See, if we'll talk about talent, the talent is there. We all know. The main issue is the attitude problem. You know, when Ancelotti was managing Madrid, he gave free rein to all the players. And now Ancelotti is not there, Xavi is here, and he is someone who believes in a system. And it has been so long since Madrid has played in a proper system. So I don't think that there is a problem with the ability of the players, or even with the ability of the coach. We know what he have done in Leverkusen. The main problem is that these players, they are not someone, you know, who plays with certain boundaries. They like to express themselves, and I don't think that under Xabi Alonso they can get that much free rein that Ancelotti gave them. So it's all a matter of time to, you know, these players need to adapt to the system, and Xabi also need to understand that being this rigid, it will not work in the long run.
इट्स मैड्रिड यार, मेरे ख्याल से एक ही चीज़ है जो मैड्रिड के पास नहीं, वो है टाइम.
No, and the one thing that's great about Madrid is their ability to adapt to any situation. We all know that under Ancelotti they didn't have any system. They used to adapt according to game to game. So I think Madrid had that ability to adapt to Xabi Alonso's system, and players and fans also need to trust Alonso. I don't think that sacking Alonso is the solution for our problem.
क्या मेजर प्रॉब्लम्स
There are 2 things which I consider, like after Toni Kroos and Modric, everybody left. We don't have a leadership right now. And the fact that Carvajal is also injured, he's the only senior player right now. And Dani Ceballos इतना regular है नहीं. The next thing is our defense line is fucked. There is nobody in our
यार
defense.
यू
Like
गाइस
last
हैव,
match में भी
यार तुम लोग ने डिफेंस पे बहुत पैसा उड़ाया
भाई बहुत fucked है भाई. Rodrigo, he needs time. No, I want to keep him. I want to keep him. But उसको टाइम चाहिए यार, मतलब उसको प्लेइंग टाइम दो. I don't understand why he's not getting the playing
बट आई
time.
थिंक सो देयर इज अ वेरी फेमस कोट मैड्रिड के लिए एक है कि मैड्रिड को कभी भी एक कोच नहीं चाहिए, मैड्रिड को चाहिए एक मैनेजर, जो कि एंसेलोटी था, जो कि मोरिनियो था, जो कि ज़िडान था. मेरे को नहीं लगता ज़ाबी अलोंसो इज अ गुड फिट फॉर मैड्रिड, क्योंकि वो कोच है, ही इज नॉट अ मैनेजर.
What I think is he knows to be a part of Madrid. He was a part of Madrid. He's been coached by the greatest manager, Jose Mourinho, Pep Guardiola, Carlo Ancelotti. He took Leverkusen from relegation to the top of the league. To Champions League ले गया वो, जो सब जिता दिया उनको.